Once the strips of our images have been combined, alternating one to the other, we're going to want to take it, flip it over, and apply some tape to the back so that they all stick together, they come together, so that we can fold it up. The way we do this is we take each strip and we fold it over. The easiest way to do is just fold it from directly from top to bottom, fold it over so it stays in the same location. And then we're going to put them together. Now it's very important on this step that we line them up properly, meaning that the ends should be very even and they shouldn't move around because it's going to change. First of all, we need it to be folded, make a straight fold in between the creases. And also we want the image to come out so that it looks like the original image that it was. So it's very important to line them up very close together and make sure that they're even. And then we can go ahead and put the strip of tape along the back. It's a little tricky because what happens is that they move around and you're going to have to constantly be readjusting the strips. But if with a little patience, they can be put together and the outcome will look really nice. As I've given over this idea for this project, a lot of people come back and they say that this makes it a little bit too difficult for the children that they want to do the project for to really successfully complete the project. So I can't disagree. This is a little bit, it's a little bit of a tedious type of work. One, because the strips have to be kept in the same order, and number two, because they have to be lined up very close and done properly. So if there's a way that you can do this, somehow prepare this part for children or have some help with this, it can be done. It depends on the age, it depends on the capabilities of the children, but I wouldn't be discouraged, even though that it's a bit of a little bit more of a difficult step, but I wouldn't be discouraged from doing the project because the outcome, the kids really love it. When they see how the pictures change, they really get a kick out of it. So it's a really fun project. I wouldn't be discouraged just because it's a little bit of a tedious step over here. So now we've lined up our strips, and we're going to be very careful not to move any of them, and we're going to start applying the tape to the back to get them to stick together, making sure they don't overlap so we'll be able to make some nice folds along the creases.